So guys, our unboxing, I told you guys in our previous video that what we ordered didn't come complete, but I'm surprised that this is she order. Why this kind of package? So unbox with us. Dana is even shouting, Mama, Mama, eh? What am I going to use to unbox it? Give me. Unbox with us. Let's see what is here. No break. Oh. Let's see what is here. Okay. I cannot get power before. Okay. So, okay. So, oh God. So guys, here it is. Full box of unboxing. So the guys, I got lots of. Ooh. Ah. 2 nylon. Even 3. Okay, oh, let me see what is inside. Are you sure these are my unboxing, my goods? Did she dash me goods? Because this thing is much, oh. So first of all, this is the first one. What is this? Ooh, okay. Guys, it's an overall for the designer. Mama, this is for you. Ah, so comfy. Ooh, so comfy, oh. Very, very. So comfy. Another one again. Wow, for baby Zana. And she's happy. She's here. It's 2 piece. So, all these are loungewear. Okay. I'll be fast. No mede, no serere. And be push and be close. Is this? Oh, who wants this one? This should be for my son. This should be for Emmanuel. Just bought for them loungewear. This for Emmanuel. So I better know which is which. Oh. Okay. Okay. This is another one. Just bought land what they'll be wearing at home. Okay, this is for greatness. This is greatness. This is another one. Where is the opener? Why they see this one now? Why is this one so sealed? Sorry. One is so simple. Okay, this is another one. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll be very, very fast. Okay, this was Zana. Very beautiful. 2 piece. See, so Zena. Very beautiful. Okay. Amanda has opened this one. This is for, I think for Emmanuel. I mean for no. This is Amanda. This is Amanda. Why they can't see you all like say tomorrow not day? Mama, what is that? Sorry. Okay, socks. I bought socks for them to be wearing at home. It's 6 pieces. Zip it. Mama, come, I'll carry you.
Come on.
was Zena. They don't print. Okay, this is another pattern. Is this same color? I'm going to check because they brought something like this before. I don't know. Leave it.
No, baby, come on. Mama.
What a kind of girl.
Mommy,
I'm coming up. Sorry. Yeah. Now, you want to unbox it? Let's unbox it then. Let's unbox this one. Sorry. Who wants this one? Mama, all these clothes are just sorry. Mama, this clothes for you take your clothes. Take your clothes. This for you. So Mama. Beautiful. Mama, take your clothes. So stay here while we're both together. Yeah, that's for you, Mama. So that's the captain in the hand. So you do something nice.
No, this is too bad. They're Priscilla. Because
Hey, this is another one, guys. Hey, this for Emmanuel. This is for my son. It's winter. Something that can be used to start home. So Emmanuel. This for him. So it's 2 piece. Like this. Sorry. Okay. This thermal wear for Emmanuel. It's thick. This thermal wear for my son. They even put where they can be wee. So I saw this thermal wear. Zana is disturbing. I just want to be very fast. What is here? Leave. I take unbox this one. Unbox it. Okay, this is a cap and chopper for my son for winter. Guys, this is another one. I'm very fast now. This for Amanda. Yeah, this for Amanda. Okay, take. This another pink one. What is this? We got lots. Okay, this for greatness. It's a 2-piece. This for greatness, 2-piece. Greatness. And the last but not the least. This is the last one. See, here is not scattered. Sorry, Mama. I'll attend to you now. She's hungry. Leave her. I'm done. Mama, this for. Is this the same? Did I buy the same? This for baby Zana. Mama, sorry. All these are what they'll be wearing at home, not outing. These are baby Zana. So guys, that's everything. So thank you for unboxing with us. You can see how all here is. I'm going to clear them up. So let me attend to her. I'll talk to you guys later. Ciao.